Hi everyone, welcome to my portfolio. So I'm going to explain some of the simple works I did in my free time. So whatever having in the portfolio is not a real app or which I worked because those apps are completely restricted using VPNs. So I'm just sharing some of the simple page application which I developed in free time to understood my strength of the knowledge and my tech stack. So you are seeing my website here. So, I just given my intro and what are the tech stack I having. So what you're seeing here is the complete my portfolio. So let's go one by one. So first I will explain what is this group chat. So this is posted, all the apps which I having is deployed in Heroku because Heroku is the only right now free available for Angular with Node. So that's why I choose the Heroku. Even I used the 00 webcast and some other lot of online free. For MongoDB I use Mongo Atlas, which is given by AWS. Okay, let's see here. Lionel. So it will not store any data in the cache. You can just, this is a simple group chat. So now I'm shrinking this, and again I will open a new tab and pull out. So logging with another user. So I can say his name is Raj. So this is a simple chat. From anywhere, any persons, any group of members can actually use for chat and sharing. There is no file support right now. I'm not focused on that. So when you click this option button, you can see who are on online. Same over here. And now left side is Leonel, I guess. Hi, I am Leonel. So the right side, he got the message. Hi, I am Raj. Yeah, so this is a real-time chat app, and n number of users can join. So if you want, I can open one more for you. Even three more will be, sorry, four more will be more nice to have. Okay, let's copy this and paste it. Paste it here. So GUEST guest 1 and guest 2. Okay, so now we can see four members online everywhere it is similar. And hi, yeah, hi. So I use the Angular for the UI and Node for the backend. This complete real-time data transmission is happening using Socket IO. It's very pretty simple application. Uh, so it the complete UI designs is all my own imagination. Yeah, that's it about the simple chat. And let's look at those. This is a comment tab. So actually, this is developed using the technique called Angular recursive template. So which means n number of times the same template will be re-rendered again and again. The main and the complete app is this part only, the close comment. Let me zoom it a bit to see clear. So imagine you use a lot of I mean comments in the Facebook, like anybody can reply to any comments. So this whole technical architect is accomplished here. As I name, I am just instead of name I'm using just to see the sequence. So now A send a message called commented hi, and now B is commenting hi, and now C is commenting hi. The whole template is just single page with I think 10 line of code. So now you see a hi, as I think I just modified in different way. Let me close this. Okay, as message is supposed to hi and this is supposed to be name. Okay, B and C hi. So all the three persons texted. Now I want to reply to this with the name again. I can put something reply to B something, so that will go under. If you want to reply to the same, so that the chain will come inside. It goes n number, unlimited. So this is not configured with any user, any user related thing. This is to demonstrate how this recursive template works actually. So you can reply to n number again. And all will go child, and you can edit the content of anything. So if you want to edit the exact this content, you just click edit, it will come over here and you can edit it. So this is completely developed using Angular recursive technique. So that's it about this comment tab. And let me go to any shop application. This is just to understood Angular, how routing works, how the data captures everything. It's a small kind of shopping app, so we'll get understood. There is a list first. You can see all the item, so you can add the items, and you can, if you add again, it will increase the count. So then you can click show cart. So if you want remove, you can remove the item, and you can, if you want to add, you can click go back and add again and show. So once you complete, you click checkout, so you can see the prices and details. It's completely wise developed in the Bootstrap. Just see the how the routing works and how the data transfer to route one place to another, that you can see. And if you want to see the cart again, you click cart. If you want to see the checkout, if you want to add more, go back. So anything is possible from any page. I'm showing cart, checkout. I want to pay. If I complete, so I can click pay. It take to the bank portal. Okay, that's it about this simple. And the selection tool is it's actually a library which is developed by me. We don't have any much libraries online for highlighting the text. Actually, there is a sketch.js and highlight.js. There is two only JS is available in online. And additionally, I developed this is for text selection, but none of selection library giving the facility what I'm giving or options I'm giving. So you can see here, you can select that any number of lines and you can highlight this, and you can select again blue. It looks very simple, but the technique behind this is very huge. This is I can make the multiple selection also, like inside the selection, n number of selection you can have it. It's a very cool, uh, same simple logic. So there is no any online resource for such, so I not to disclose this as a private repo. This ensures my strength of the skill, how I developed single page application. And the advantages of this is, if you click save and if you reload it, it will totally catch in the local storage and it will reflect. So only thing is not implemented yet now is paragraph to paragraph selection is not implemented actually. I was not put more time on that, so I just completed with multi-selection in a single paragraph. That's it. So this is about this text selection. And then yes, PDF viewer. So we all know that there is a PDF.js is a library which allows to render the PDFs in the web pages. So I used that PDF.js, and this is kind of, yeah, slide app. So you can load any PDF.js into this application, and you can just navigate to any page. So you can zoom, and you can zoom out. You can move like using the hand, and you can rotate. So every option is available, and you can go next. I think only 10 pages. Yeah. This is the PDF viewer. Its name is. This is more nice. Um, Actually, it has some more functionality which I not shown here. You can draw and you can download as images, but it's not available here. And then I can take you to do app. The to do app, you can see there is a keep app is available from Google, similar to that, but this is completely used with registration. So I will create account, with jpiliolio password yali. Sorry, I should not say the password. Let's see, yes, it's registered. Actually, this is developed using Firebase. Google Firebase, it's actually free for 100 users. So I using for data storage online the Firebase, and this front end is completely Angular, and the back end is completely Node. So you can see title, day 1, and giving the information, and just click. So you can see, you can click, you can do the number of items. If you want to edit, you can directly edit, and you can pin it. And this hand tool is to move one place to another. So to know the functionality, you need to give lot more. Actually, this is cross browser. It will work for all the browsers. So you can move this to any places. The hierarchy, the priority wise, you can move to any places. And if you want to delete anything, you just click delete, and it's a so it's a cache oriented, so I can reload and I can see it again. Can click and sign out, and like if I back and sign in, I can see all the detail. It's a very simple and powerful, so anybody can use it. You can even mobile also you can use this. In mobile browser it will load. I used the Firebase as Google. It's a free database, so I used this here. And finally, I will take one more. Okay, search app. Actually, I forget the user. So okay, let me check. abc@gmail.com 12346. Mm, yes, it's loaded. abc@gmail.com and 123456. Oh, something is wrong. Okay, don't I forget actually. Okay, let's check others. Okay, this dynamic responsive. The highlight of this dynamic responsive is completely developed using Angular dynamic code actually, which means I not used any CSS for this responsive. This is completely handled inside Angular. Okay, to understood this, so let's see how this. So there is no any library used. This complete responsive is developed in the Angular coding, so you can modify dynamically the sizes. So update according to that size automatically update, and the responsive also automatically update. The tile height also, anything you can change actually. Any size also you can change, and the gap between the margin also you can change. And so if you want to store, you just click store and reload it. It will load the same again. So it's pretty cool, like dynamic layout handling using Angular. This we can do with a lot of options, like user can modify the layout to view according to his feasibility, everything. So that's about this responsive page. And location app, these I use the Google Maps actually, and the front end is completely Angular, and the same I use the API, Google API, Maps API. Okay, let's see how this actually, the intention behind this is, you may see the lot of apps like how can I say, the selling property, or yeah, the rentals, the home rent, so those kind of application we can use this kind of mechanism. So if a client want to see the location of the place, if can click and can exactly the the address will highlight over here under the details. And if you want to see vice versa, if I click 3, so I can see the place which is highlighted in the map. So this is about this map, and you can zoom it. And I not give any additional options because this whole data is configured as the hard coded JSON. And if you want to see any places, you can just click the point and highlight it, and you can add the point and everything, but I not give this options over here. So the thing is, even the element is hidden, you can click and you can bring to the view. And wise I can click and make the highlight in the map also. Yeah, it's highlighting here. Okay, that's it about this application. So this proves that how I can utilize the map API, and this is the repo which I first created the Leo. This is for testing, and this is the Leo panning JS. Actually, I don't have any demo actually for this. For example, you can zoom the app and you can pan using the hand. This is actually for browsers. I developed around 5 years, I don't know, 7 years before, I forget. Till now there is a lot of downloads. There was the first package after that I developed a lot of packages, but those are private for the companies. Okay, that's about my all the portfolio. So if you wanted the real-time app which I organized and developed from scratch with my architecture, you can check this website, giftshop.com. So yes, this is completely under construction. This whole UI, all the options, everything is developed and organized by me with my team, and the whole designs also. So imagine I'm going to log in with beta. The password is wrong. I don't know what is wrong. BT. I think something is wrong. Okay, let me log in with mine. I forget the password I guess. LION. I not changed it recently. I don't know. Okay, let me try admin. at gmail.com. Oh, something is wrong. I think I deleted the account, I guess. Okay, sorry guys. I without login I just take you to the pages. So this search engine, a simple search engine. So this is a shop app. You can see all the devices. Yeah, you can modify the alignment, sorry, layout also, and you can filter according to the prices, and you can see according to your budget, and you can manually enter the detail also. Okay, I will just add, I want to show just only 100 to 10,000, and you can see the products by low to high, high to low, latest, popular. The whole mechanism, everything is developed by me, and this menu is completely driven using JSON. Actually, this, if I click lava, the connect to lava, all the data will come here. If I click mi, all the mi related will come here. So rest of things we not added any product, so we can't see actually. And even the breadcrumb, if click the according to mobiles, it will come. Electronics, whichever added under electronics, it will come. So the page nation, you can navigate to pages. So next pages, and you can sort out the page count. So I use the PrimeNG for all the UI elements here. The pagination, everything you can see, it's all from the PrimeNG. The UI is Angular, the backend is Node.js, and the database is MongoDB Atlas, which is free from AWS. So this is all about this application. Okay, if I want to show the purchase, but something is wrong with the user credential. I'm sorry for that. Even I can sign up. Just give me a minute. Yeah, if I want to sign up, I have to use my personal mail ID. Okay, leave it. Let's check with order. Sorry. Email is already registered. ORDR order set AON gift shop. If we have luck, it should. I think something is wrong. Some service down, I guess. Okay, leave it. So this is, you can check it out. That's it for guys. Thank you for viewing my all the complete portfolio. Thank you again. If you want to see one the final last thing, the comparison about the framework, you can check it out. This will help you to understand the different framework comparison, the Angular, React, and normal pure JavaScript like vanilla JavaScript output. If you have time, you can check it out here also. I mean, right now it's 12. Let's see. Okay, so these you can see the Angular. Sorry, that app is the to-do app developed in Angular, and this is JavaScript, and this is React. The whole UI looks all are same, and this finally I compare all these three pages in a single place. So let it load, please wait. So you can see this is JavaScript, and this is React. This I actually developed for the investigation purpose, which frameworks renders the things faster, works really faster. It's a single page application, so you can see the pulse is actually microseconds. React loaded very quicker. So now I'm reloading. So now always React is quicker as per my knowledge, because the rendering is so faster. Actually this Angular developed in 6th version. I not tried with any latest version. This is long back I did actually. So the UI whole are completely similar, and the functionality exactly same, all the three. There you can't see any difference, and even the UI also you can't see any difference. And these actually the switch will check from the origin. It will change the origin actually. How can I explain? I mean, the you are seeing this individual app is loading from the um, iframe, and each is developed in the different Heroku domain, and all loading in the iframe. This iframe actually takes the three different data from three different domain, and at the click of switch, it will take the file from the one place as a single folder as a content, and it will load. That's actually different of this, which means same. This all contents coming from same places, and this is coming different domain. So I just want to understood the real-time loading from the online to client side, how much it time takes. Always React wins actually, and sometimes JavaScript win and React. But always Angular is last. The reason behind is Angular using 4 HTTP requests to load the application. We know that the bundle file will have that polyfills, main.js, and vendor.js, something I forget. The 4 files will. So that's why it's taking always later. Might be if I developed in latest version, it will be quicker comparably to other these two things. Okay, this is about the framework comparison. We can bring the UI exactly in all the thing, even non-framework and framework. The functionality also we can take. To know that let's see something how the functionality looks similar. Yep, and this is one more. So I'm dragging drop. So all looks, this drag and drop is completely written by my own code. So I not derived anything from online for this functionality. And see the functionality in a pure JavaScript. This is actually React, and this is Angular. Can bring the same functionality in all the three frameworks without seeing any difference. That's about this. Thanks for watching my whole portfolio. Thank you.